Is that a bike?
Is that a bike for Silver?
She's sharp.
That's the wheel. Do you want to sit on it?
You have to put your helmet on.
No.
Yeah. You wear
Yeah.
your helmet when you ride a bike.
You don't get to ride the bike unless you put your helmet on. She's like, watch me.
Oh, gotta put on your helmet first.
Where's your helmet?
Where's your helmet?
Where is it?
Oh,
There it is. Someone get it.
Go get your helmet.
Get it.
You can
Yeah.
ride the bike. Do you want to ride the bike with your helmet?
Get it.
That's the wheel.
That's the wheel.
Yeah. Can you go get your...
Get your helmet.
Go get your helmet.
helmet.
You can ride the bike.
Nice wheel.
It's heavy, yeah.
Okay, are you ready?
Put the helmet on.
Put it on. You can ride the bike. Got it? Okay. Look at you! Good thing we have the helmet on.
First crash. Got that out of the way.
Sit down on the bike. Mommy will help you this time. Mommy will hold it.
No.
Oh.
Ow. Ow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Sometimes. You can sit down now.
Yeah.
You sit down.
Whoa.
Yeah, that's the wheel.
Yeah.
Careful.
Careful. Sit down on the bike. That's the wheel. Look at you! What a big girl! Your very own bike! Yay! Are you excited? Are you excited? You got it?
You gotta keep the helmet on. Can you wheel it with her?
Yeah, let's. Should we go for a ride? Look at you go! Yay!
Whoa.
Do you want to go up here? Well.
Yay! Push it out. Get it a little farther back, it'll be a little easier.
Now she's got it.
Yeah.
Good job, Taylor.
Here. Sit on the, there you go. There you go. You want to go ride? Maybe we should go put on some pants before we go outside.
Yeah.